Hey everyone, welcome back into the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again, taking a look at the weather, and it was just like it was yesterday, the day before, the day before that. No change. Temperatures are going to cool down a little bit for tomorrow, but then slowly warm back up again, and still no signs of any major changes on the horizon. We'll talk more weather in a little bit. Photograph tonight, sent in by Bayard Folsom, who was on the Dalton Highway. He was able to capture these cool cloud structures there. Looks like it's probably some stratocumulus or even some altocumulus at the higher levels. Again, as always, if you have a photograph to share, by all means, send it to photos at ktvf11.com. Here's what you're looking at right now as far as fab photos. The calendars are going fast. There are many places across the interior that are giving them away free. And if you want to know which one they are, we'll go to our website, webcenter11.com, and check out and see which one's closest to you and get them, because they are going, like I said, really fast. Numbers look like this. Today's high 22, right now 13 degrees. The overnight low last night 12, the record high 45. That was set in 2013. 41 below in 1956. Sunrise at 9:27. Sunset 3:45, giving us 6 hours and 17 minutes of daylight. That's a loss of 6 minutes from yesterday. A couple of advisories here. First of all, Aurora Watch, try saying that 3 times real fast, is for moderate auroras tonight, but increasing through the weekend. So keep an eye out for that. And of course, once again, we have an air quality alert in effect for North Pole, unhealthy for you folks there, and unhealthy for sensitive groups in the Fairbanks area. Our satellite and radar looks like this, and again, we're talking about a little bit of a change, as you can see the high pressure really becoming very dominant. Starting to tilt a little bit though. That allows a little more moisture to come across the southwest portion of the state, but still clear skies as far as we're concerned. Now, lower 48 weather we'll talk about in just a little bit, because that's the high pressure is really affecting them. But across Anchorage right now, rain around Kodiak Island, clear skies over southeast Alaska, cloudy skies along the Aleutian Chain, partly cloudy skies up and down the west coast, and cloudy skies around Barrow. To the lower 48 we go, and we're looking at temperatures very chilly once again around Seattle, 45 degrees. Billings, Montana, 11 degrees. Denver, 13 degrees. Still chilly in Minneapolis, 24. To the east, things are cooling down too, 48 degrees in New York and 47 degrees in New Orleans. How about that? On the satellite and radar, again, look at all the big white masses that are all across much of the country. The pink indicating where, like I said, the frozen precipitation is at. And the key factor for next week, it's going to get even colder over the eastern half of the country as the polar vortex continues its movement. And the long-range outlook is calling for a fresh Arctic blast coming right on down to the Gulf Coast states, with rain on the east coast and dry weather continuing on the west coast. All right, back to Alaska for tomorrow. Cloudy skies for Barrow, mostly sunny skies at Nome, and scattered clouds in the Fort Yukon area. As far as the interior is concerned, mostly clear skies for Fairbanks and Delta, partly cloudy for Healy. Temperatures right around 20 degrees. Over southeast Alaska, mostly sunny skies for Juneau and sunny skies for Ketchikan. While over the southwest part of the state, looking at scattered showers for Cold Bay and Bethel, wind and rain for Kodiak Island. And if you're heading on down the Anchorage area, they're looking at very nice weather, mostly sunny skies with patchy morning fog across the region. Temperatures warmer around Homer, 46 degrees there. Okay, here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. Scattered high clouds and warmer temperatures in the hills, a little bit of inversion going on, 0 degrees at the airport. Tomorrow's forecast calling for 20 degrees for the high at the airport, but again, warmer in the hills, and just scattered clouds here and there. And the extended forecast, temperatures pretty consistent all the way about across the board. Mid-20s for highs, overnight lows, chilly tomorrow night. And then after that, it slowly starts to warm back up again, once again to the teens. And again, no precipitation in the forecast whatsoever. No snow, no rain, no nothing. No change.
Nice.
Mike. Well, thank you. That's a pretty good forecast for the weekend. Yep.